Traders, welcome on board. Here, Gustavo Rubi. In this video, you will learn how to set up your indicator. This is probably the most powerful trading system indicator published on TradingView. And I congratulate you for investing in yourself and for acquiring this trading system, which license will be limited. Now, after the end of these tutorials, you will be able to short on these red circles, and you will be able to long in these green circles, right? Now, let's start to setting up our environment. First of all, the time zone. Go to the lower right side of your TradingView and click on the time zone and make sure you are using New York time. After that, make sure you're using the correct data feed. This system was calibrated and the research was done with a 20-year historical euro-dollar data. So we use euro-dollar, but the system is compatible with CFDs on the US dollar major pairs. There are people that use it on Bitcoin, on gold, but first, master the basic, the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and then you experiment. Once you're profitable, you experiment with other pairs. Okay, so first of all, go to the euro dollar and make sure your broker data feed, you're using one of the brokers that your SOP manual is stating. So I will choose now Oanda just for agreement. Okay, and your chart will look like this with the New York time zone and your broker data feed correct. After that, just attach the indicator to your chart. If you have the indicator link, just go to the indicator link, you will see something like this, and just set on favorite, so you have at hand on the favorite tabs. And also, you can attach the indicator via the indicators, metrics, and strategies menu here. Click it. Then go to the invite only scripts and type the name of the indicator here, or look here, you will find BullTrading. Easy if the scalps is here. Click the indicator and you will have attached. I already have attached the indicator. I will attach here. You will see something like this. Okay. Now that you have attached the indicator to your chart, let's personalize the settings. You go to the indicator, go to this small gear, settings, and let's start with the most important input, which is your account size. You will set your account size here and your exposure parameter here. For example, this is set at 1/8 of 1%. This is 1/4 of 1%. And this represents 1%. Okay? If you are super aggressive and you're managing your own funds, the maximum amount I recommend is 1%. But you must be agree with a huge drawdown, and your trading psychology must be okay. For most of us, I feel very comfortable with 1/8 of 1% because there are so many signals that I don't care if I lose or I win. So I just bet a small amount and I make consistent profitable, and I sleep like a baby at night. Okay, so but that's up to you. Now, here's the weekend drop off. By default is on. What this tab is doing is just blocking the signals on the wick. Now, we have the risk reward colors and the size of the tags. I like tiny because it's minimalistic, and these colors are for dark backgrounds. But if you're using white background, maybe it will be sensible to change this scheme to match your chart preference. Okay. Okay, here I will not touch this. It is just the box length. This is the IPDAT through-day box. This is not functional for the signals and for the basics, trading basics. This is for advanced traders to hunt the liquidity, and it's more discretional. So I will not touch this. This is not necessarily. Show the notepad. It's here. You will have here a notepad where you can paste your trading rules, your trading annotations, because this system gives so many signals that you will be overwhelmed by the amount of signals this thing plots. So it's very important to have a very, very good order. Now, after you make your preference, go to Defaults tab and click Save as Default. Therefore, each time you attach your indicator to your chart, it will have your own preferences. After the indicator is set, now let's save the template here. Click here and save, rename and save the template as you want. Okay. Now that you have all your indicator set up, the alert tabs, just go to here so if you want the indicator to alert each time there is a setup, and then you select the indicator. Bull trading is scalps, and intervals same as chart, and create alert. Therefore, there is a menu so you can choose if you're going to receive an email, a push notification in your mobile app, etc., etc. But this is out of the scope of this tutorial. So after you've done that, you have now your environment set up. Thanks for watching. For your massive success, Gustavo Rubi. Bye-bye.